Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sky Knight. I'll talk to you today about file managers. So I'm sure everyone around is familiar with what file managers are, especially the GUI types. For instance, I have PCMan FM installed on my rig here, and it's a graphical file manager. Yeah, if you've seen one file manager, you've likely seen them all. Sure, there are ones that can do special things. Some of them might be a little fancier than others, but basically they're just there so that you're able to see and browse your directories. It doesn't really feel cool enough, though. It would be a little cooler if we could do everything from command line. Today, let's install Ranger. And Ranger should be available with just about any package manager. On apt, you can install it like this: sudo apt install Ranger. I can't imagine it's going to be that different if you're on a different package manager. I assume Pacman will be the same. I assume Zypper would probably be the same. Okay, and just like that, we have Ranger installed. So, let's see what it does. Ranger. Okay. Yeah. It is a file manager that's based in the terminal. Let's see what kind of config it has. Q to quit out of that. Let's look for cd.config. What do we have in here? I'll make this a little bigger so the YouTube audience can actually see what is in it. Okay, let's see. For a Ranger. There it is. Ranger. Oh, it actually pulled in quite a few things. Let's see what is the actual configuration file for it. Alright, let's just check them out then. I'm going to assume that it's in rc.conf. Yeah, okay. So, looks like we can show hidden files by default. We can toggle this by typing ZH. Oh, it's kind of annoying to have to do. You can apparently also trigger this by just hitting backspace. That seems much easier than ZH. I think I will just keep it at that, and I have a feeling that I don't want to see all of these files every time that I have to open up Ranger, so let's just keep it at the normal one, and we can change it as it is. And I assume it's going to take the theme that I have set for Kitty here, which is the Dracula theme. It's got the nice dark purples, the blues. Yeah, it's fine. So let's see what this baby can do. I understand that it can do basic bash commands. So does that mean that we can make a directory? Oh, okay. So you hit colon and essentially just type in what you want to do. Make directory YouTube. There it is. And search with backspace? Backslash? Yep, search. Okay. Cool. Can we go to the top of the file with GG? Yep. Bottom with capital G? Yep. Oh, this is... I like this. Okay. Okay. Neat. Can we jump into, like, Vim? I assume we can create a file, so touch file. Ooh, and can we Vim file? Oh, command not found Vim. What happens if I just go into this? Interesting. I wonder if I can change that. Okay, so we have to go to the top of the folder directory, bottom of the folder directory. What else can we do? Can we just delete with X? No, X does not do a delete. Can we delete with D, like a delete line? Ooh, we can. Okay, so yes, this is essentially the same. The D button is pretty much the same, so it looks like capital D. We'll just straight up delete it. And confirm that. Yep, okay, looks so, and then does it paste in? Okay, so nothing pastes. So let's make another directory called test, and let me make this bigger for you again. Okay, make sure. Oh, I already made it. Where are we at? Test. Let's just touch a couple files. Touch a. Ooh, boy. Touch B. Touch C. Touch D. I don't. Oh, okay. So it looks like are we selecting them with spacebar? I assume that's selecting them. What did that do? D, so that cut them. That should make sense why they're still there. So if I make another directory, make another directory called jump into that and then paste. Okay. So if you want to do multiple things, you go over it, hit spacebar, it goes to the next one, you hit spacebar again. I don't know what that asterisk is doing though. Why is that a thing? And like there's different cut modes, I'm not really sure what the difference between those would be. What if we can delete those out of there? Yeah, I like this. This is pretty dang neat. Okay, what else? What else would you be able to do? Is there like a visual mode? Can I pop this over to like visual mode with V? Okay, so V selects all. Oh, and then if I change... Okay, no, it doesn't unselect them. Okay, so V is like a select all. That's really handy. Oh, I like this. In the bottom corner here, it tells you how many... Is this just directories, or is this like files in general? Touch A. So that's files in general. How many files in general you have in your directory. That's really cool. Oh. How many gigs you have free in this, I assume in this folder? Let's see if I'm not in the home directory. Okay, so yeah, I have 216 gigs free on my root partition, and I have 519 on my home directory. That's nice. That's pretty handy. What is this sum? Oh, wait, no. I was thinking sum was the sum of the things in the current, if I select it. No. Ooh. How do I okay. So space again to unselect. So what if I jump into here? I'm not entirely sure what this sum is. I kind of want to say it's the sum of the files, like the sum of the file size in all of these directories, but that can't be right. I've got way more than 856 megs used in this. Like hell, in my Steam alone, I probably have several gigs worth of stuff. I don't know what that sum is for. Okay, well, neat. Neat. Man, that's really handy. Ooh, I wonder, can I go back to my home directory with like tilde? No, what does this do? and it's doing something. What is it doing? Oh, okay. So the tilde character does I don't know why you would only want to see what's in your current directory. I suppose you might want to do that. So tilde switches between this like 3-column view with the parent directory on the left, the current directory in the middle, and then what the contents of your current directory on the right. If it is a directory, I assume. So if I jump into what? Let's jump in. I don't even have any GOG things downloaded. Okay, what does this do? I don't know. Anyways, I don't know why you would only want to see this. But say you're in some random sys directory and you don't want to have to go all the way back out to get to your home directory. The I don't even know, the tick mark below the tilde key without the shift. I think it's called a tick. I'm not entirely sure. So tick brings up this menu down here at the bottom. Looks like, oh, interesting. Huh. Well, I was wrong. I'm not sure now, actually. Huh. Well, I feel like there should be a quick way to get back to your... Let's actually look at the config from within Ranger, maybe. So, delete or backspace to show my hidden files. Hop into .config. Search for Ranger. So search case sensitive. It is case sensitive. That's somewhat annoying. Oh, okay, so it has a nice, I don't know what you would call this, a preview window on the left-hand side. This is a configuration file of a rifle. Oh, well, I don't think we want to do anything with that. I'm just looking for, like, keybinds. Well, set tilde in title bar. I actually do kind of want that to be set hostname in title bar. I mean, I don't have the title bar anyway. It's a window manager, but do I have to reload, or do I just... Okay, back to config. Ranger, back to... What is this? Why is this bold? I don't know why that's bold. That's interesting. Yeah, that didn't make any difference as far as I can tell. Oh, no, it did. So up here, I assume that's the title bar. So, actually, I don't like the domain name. Domain. No, okay, go back to home, I guess. Set host name in title bar. Change that to false. Okay. Is there any more? Ooh, here we go. Oh no. Find keys for the browser. Okay. It will probably be in here if it's in here at all. Okay, well, maybe it's not in there. That seems like it might be a little more work than I wanted to put into this. But let's quit out again and then reload it. And okay, so we got rid of the domain name up there. Cool, or the host name. Okay, well, that is Granger in a nutshell. I dig it. I dig it. I can actually see myself using this quite a bit. I don't know if it'll be faster than just popping open PCMan FM and going through that way, but it'll sure make me feel a hell of a lot cooler to use Ranger, which is really, that's why we do this, right? Just to feel cool. I don't know. Alright. Well, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'm Sky Knight. See ya.